Buttons are a big trend in card making and scrapbooking. The Papermania button tubes have a great selection of colour-themed buttons that will work perfectly on any project. When adding buttons, the perfect adhesives are the Stick-It glue dots. Simply press the button onto the dot on the roll and peel up before pressing onto your project. You can, of course, also stitch your buttons onto your project using embroidery thread and a needle from the Papermania toolkit. Why not try one of these versatile ideas on your next project? A pair of buttons can make the perfect anchor for a tie closure. Simply secure your buttons in place using embroidery thread. Knot one end of a second piece of thread around one of the buttons and then wind around both buttons in a figure of 8 to secure. Buttons are ideal for using with fabric or felt. To make this fun flower, cut shapes from felt and stitch together using embroidery thread. Stitch several buttons in contrasting colours in the centre of the flower for a great dimensional embellishment which would look great on a card, a scrapbook page or as an embellishment for other craft projects. A button can also be the ideal centre for a ribbon flower. Layer loops of ribbon using adhesive to secure. Add the button to the centre of the ribbon flower using a glue dot or use embroidery thread to secure. Buttons can look great when used simply as a border or to highlight a focal point by creating a button frame. You can also personalise buttons by adding an embossed layer. This is ideal for creating a glittery finish. Press the button onto a pigment pad and using tweezers, dip into your embossing powder. Heat using the Heat It Up tool to add a unique look to your buttons. Papermania buttons are available now from your local docrafts stockist. For project ideas using buttons or to find your local stockist, visit www.docrafts.co.uk.